Oh, it's there. Oh, because it's too big. Oh, interesting. All right. That's kind of inconvenient. I would put it in that room. If I were, I would put it outside instead of there. I don't know, closer to the kitchen. You know? Is there room? Yeah, it would. Yeah.
It would be inconvenient for anybody doing the laundry, which I would never hear the end of it from my wife.
Right. Well, I mean, not necessarily. I mean, if it's here, you still have all of this space. More overhanging. Yeah, you lose the hanging space. Yes. Yeah. You definitely lose hanging space.
Now, if we could get rid of that air conditioner thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Then we could maybe have a better hanging system.
Yeah. Reinstall. Yeah, install maybe the ceiling mounted version.
The drop down.
Drop down. Yeah.
It might be better. Yeah.
Yep.
And then maybe the refrigerator could be out here. That would be better for the
Yeah, I think that's more functional.
You think the back grassy? Oh, I see that. Yeah. Little glass holders.
Right.
I mean, good for
Oh, he's doing the new stucco.
Oh, they got
That's what I'm talking about.
Here too.
It is. Yeah, all of them got this.
This one's all set up for us.
It's a setup. Oh yeah, like it's a harness. Yep, that's how it's supposed to be. The other ones don't have the whole setup. Yeah. So, you know, you can one kid at a time, tie them up, roll them down.
We'll get them ready for school every day.
Yeah. It's a nice tree. Just need to be taken care of. Poor guy. But it's still live. It's still good. Just cut off the dead ones and just need water. Just need care. Oh, probably never been watered regularly. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This was this open field over there.
Yeah.
Very quiet street here, like you were saying. You can easily ride your bike here, and
I think a couple of streets over near the residential stuff. But
yeah, like on that side, right.
It's not going to compare as the complex, but in terms of around the complex, for sure, this is much nicer.
This is much nicer.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, just talking about outside.
Yeah.
Being able to go places.
Yeah.
I mean, our apartment is honestly really nice, the one we have now.
Yes.
So it's
right.
We understand we're taking a trade.
Yeah. But yeah, there's pluses and minuses,
sure.
Right? Pros and cons.
But a nice big balcony would be nice.
Yeah.
But okay, so the price range on this one is.
Was it the same?
Yeah, same.
No, she increased it to the same.
The same, yeah.
This is the same.
But maybe we
Yeah.
might be able to negotiate meet them halfway.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, instead of a full increase.
What kind of
This is like
fees, residence fees?
Oh yeah, management fee.
It's about.
It's 140 square meters.
It's 1.5, 1.6.
Yeah, I would expect that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's based on the square meters.
Okay.
So there's a
So
lot.
maybe we could negotiate that into what our.
Or do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
I mean,
negotiate a
we can go up to our
management.
cap. That's fine.
Right.
So I'm okay with that as long as we can get it negotiated in. I mean, for the landlord, they might be happy.
Yeah, I mean, they might be happy as well. They're making an investment or whatever. I mean, we don't know how much though, because we're just seeing.
Sure.
But you know, they'll be happy to have a client already locked in.
Yeah.
And you know, they're already making the investment.
It would have to include the VAT, and it would have to.
Right. VAT, and of course, owner agrees to 2 pet cats, high call male.
Had a male.
Yeah.
Two cats.
Right. So we just need to confirm those 2 things, and then, but we should really ask because they need they were around 1,300. We can ask maybe 1,400. 14. I think it has to be 1,400 and VAT on top. So 1,400 plus 10%.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So maybe we can ask. We'll go into negotiations and
Okay.
see the best deal that we can arrange. Try to get the management fee included.
But that's nice setup.
Yeah. What will we need to negotiate here?
This all
TV.
Yeah, there's a bunch of missing things. So no TV, no kitchen table.
Yeah, TV, kitchen, dining table. There's beds. I see beds in each room.
Is there a
The fronted mattress is here.
You will confirm full furnished.
Okay.
Oh, fully furnished. Okay.
There's no mattress here, but
So that's probably part of the investment she's gonna make is getting new stuff.
or it could be thrown on top of the other.
It could be, yeah. But fully furnished will include the mattress,
Okay.
for sure. We'll make sure that that's on the list.
Yeah. Curtains too across the windows.
I think that they have them
Okay.
because I see the rods.
Yeah.
Got them.
Dèm đi đâu dèm vào cho tủ hết rồi. Cho tủ. Cái này đang bọc lại.
Curtain is okay.
It's included, yeah. Maybe they took them to clean or something like that. Same as the cloth for the sofa.
Little thing. I mean,
It's
these
not
are
here.
little things I know. But like,
Yeah.
for example, the curtain rod is broken there. Would that
Yep.
be fixed before?
For sure.
Oh, okay.
But that's part of what I do. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna inspect and check everything.
Yeah, thanks.
So yeah. I'm gonna definitely do
Yeah.
that.
The balconies are nice though. This is a good
Yeah,
option for
that's
us.
a huge plus. You can learn to ride your bike here. You know what I mean? There's so much room.
Practically, yeah.
Yeah, you can teach bike lessons right here. Yeah, you need a grill now. If you get this one, you got to get a grill.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sure.
Family barbecues every weekend. Yeah. You do have a water source. You can even put your own outdoor sink. I mean, you can do an outdoor kitchen, to be honest. I've set that up before.
Oh, yeah?
You just, use this water source and we just run the line and it is cheap. Just a little metal sink.
Yeah.
Could be like $1 million or something. Something crazy like that.
Yeah.
And we set up outdoor sinks and you get a grill and some little outdoor furniture. And this will be nice.
Now, what is this here?
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be for covering.
Huh.
It may have been something there before.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
Something will hang flowers. Yeah.
Oh, right, like the vines. Yeah, the vines.
That could be nice.
Yeah. It looks like this window. Yeah, it looks like this window opens out. Looks interesting. Yeah, that's what I thought.
As far as it goes.
Oh, that's as far as it
Oh,
goes?
no, never mind.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's cool. Gives a lot of fresh air.
screen.
And the screen, yeah.
That's helpful.
Yeah. You can keep it open if it's a cool night and cool day.
Yeah.
Keep the bugs out. Got the palm tree here. Saigon Cribs palm tree. A little bit of Riverview action over there. Saigon River in District 7 over there. Well, all right, this is great. This is really great. Really great. It's bigger.
Because this wall is recessed by quite a bit.
Oh, right.
It was about this far in.
That's right.
So that might give us enough for 2 beds,
Absolutely.
whereas the other one.
And to be separation, you have room.
Well, if 2 beds in there, then
Yeah.
you have this as an office.
Right. Yeah, because it's the shower, right? Because the bathroom shower. That's why.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why it's longer. Yeah. Yep. Okay.
That
So
works.
office. So removing this bed,
Yeah.
keeping the closet.
Maybe.
Maybe it's up. Yeah.
I
It's
mean,
up to you.
I mean, if they need the closet, I mean, it's. Not
No, I mean it'll be up to you. You know, if you need it, if you don't, if you want more space.
What we would want is to figure out the maximum storage and beds that we can fit in here.
I got my measuring tape.
And yeah, if
Let
we
me-
could fit, our bed is probably about that size.
Yeah. Yeah, roughly it is. Right.
So
Right.
if we could fit one that way as it's going right now and one this way, then
It's definitely enough.
we could
Right.
maybe do a wall storage right here for the girls, and then that would be enough for them.
Yeah.
So, but it would not
Right.
go here. because
So maybe
that would
you may want to keep a closet for them in the other
We
room.
could, yeah.
Just do the 2 beds in here and have the closet over there.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to have all the clothes in one place if we can.
True.
So how far are we?
Let me go over here.
No worries.
Yep. Oh, this also has a Japanese sliding door too.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Although it's not going to do much for smoke, given that.
I know, right? Yeah, exactly.
guess just
block it
give
from
this
one
chef
side.
some well, a
Yeah,
little bit of
a little bit of privacy, right?
Just tell the kids to stop going on in the kitchen.
Yeah, yeah.
I like the open concept though, although
Yeah, I think so too.
would definitely cause issues, but
Right,
it's okay. That's not the end of the world.
right, right, right.
Too often you frown like that.
Yeah.
And also,
And if you get a baking oven, you can put that in that corner,
that would be so nice.
like on like a table. Get a table and
That would be
maybe.
really nice.
All right.
Yeah, for sure. Baking is also a healthy.
So we do have confirmed as fully furnished.
Yeah.
No boxes. Yeah, I think that's the.
Something that we just deal with. Oh, we wanted to see the pool too.
Yeah, yeah. Let's take a stroll over there.
And the parking too. Where?
You said it was
The balconies, of course.
in the basement.
Basement.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
I see it too?
Okay.
Thank you, but
Yeah.
quick
Okay. We
check of the pool. Yeah. The pool. I heard that they're very, very strict about the shoes that you wear. Is that true? I don't know.
Let's ask them.
My friend said, yeah.
Let's see what
Said
they're
that they had
talking
to buy
about.
special pool shoes to.
The pool, yeah, like the pool slippers.
Yeah, I guess-
I've seen
I mean,
those little
whatever,
rubber
we'll
things.
buy it. It's just it was a complaint of her.
I've never heard that before. I've never heard that before.
She's been yelled at by security here a few times.
That's crazy. I've had one pool. They require you can wear swimming trunks. You have to wear the sexy Speedos.
Oh no!
I know, like, what are you talking about? I have to wear what? No, I'm not. No. It's like you have to wear the professional Speedos.
Check the temperature.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, good. Oh yeah. Oh, very good. Another basketball. Okay.
Nice that there's a kids pool.
Yeah, yeah. And you can really get like your laps
You don't have
in.
any more.
Here's the.
Yeah, I saw the drive
That's the
down.
car.
Yeah. The drive down was fine, but is there a way to get to the motorbikes without getting
Yeah. The same two motorbikes.
Sorry.
Down.
Does this go all the way down to that building?
For sure, for sure. In your building,
So we
yeah.
can go down to the
The elevator.
I
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
No problem.
Yeah, every building. Yep, yep.
Yeah. Because otherwise we'd have to walk in the rain.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yep.
So then we
Yep.
can just register a parking spot, or is it's free, right?
Yeah, free. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Great.
Cool, cool, cool. All right.
No need. I think
Nice.
I'm good.
Okay. All right. Yeah, good space. Doesn't look that full.
Here's a walking entrance.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, lift for residents and guests. All right.
Walk here too.
You been there before?
yeah.
Yeah, super
You have to take
cool. You take a little ferry.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, really, really cool. Nice.
To be clear, we have never been accused of being flashy, sexy, or lit. May I? We're definitely not lit. I mean, seriously, we named ourselves,
Saigon cribs.
which is kind of lit if we're talking literal. But it's who we are. We're good at helping you book travel. Like, amazingly good. And kind of bleep at naming.
Saigon cribs. Booking now.